So here is a follow-up tutorial, I guess a tutorial on how to rock pin curls. So I've been sick all week. This is Monday. I've been sick since Saturday before New Year's. And so this weekend I did absolutely nothing. I stayed in the house, only left the house once to go to the grocery store. And so Friday night, this is what I did. I pinned my hair. And I think it kind of looks pretty cool. And today it's raining all day, so it's like, why even undo all of this if it's just going to get frizzed up and rained on, right? So what I may do is this little one in the front, take this out, and keep everything else the same. That's my hair today. So pinning curls is a great way to like always have like a ready to go hairdo. So I know like back in the 90s and like the early 2000s when I used to get my hair relaxed, I would wrap it. But as I mentioned before, I have a really fine textured hair. So like after the second or third day of wrapping, it would just look lifeless and limp. I'm like, oh, this is terrible. So I would always curl my hair every day to give it like some bounce and some volume. So I would pin my hair instead to get that bounce and volume. And so this is how, this is essentially how I would just do my hair now. I'm a naturalista, so whenever I get it silked out, instead of curling it all the time, since I know the curls won't stay, I will pin the curls. And on days like today, like if it's raining and I don't want my hair to get wet, I have a hairdo. Unlike if I used to wrap my hair, then I had to unwrap it and figure out what to do. But I don't have to figure it out. The hair did it for me. So because it's still raining, I'm going to pin this up right here, throw on my little hat. When I get to work, take out the pin, and voila! Easy hair. All right, so I'm gonna go get this day started. Have a happy Monday.